Take a look at the historical Knife and Fork, a true Atlantic City landmark. Has some amazing history and a colorful past within the city. It was originally founded in 1912 by Atlantic City Mayor William Ritty and Louis Cuddle as the executive men's drinking and dining club. The club was a product of its time and a ladies' lounge on the second floor where they were not permitted at the bar. Now, during Prohibition, the club famously defied the law, opening serving alcohol and redefining the connection to powerful political bosses such as Nucky Johnson, a regular pardon at the location. However, federal agents eventually raided the establishment, destroying its contents and leading to the denial in membership. In 1927, at the cusp of the Prohibition appeal, the Latz family purchased the building, removing the original bar and converting it into a public restaurant. Now, the Latz family, led by Len and Evelyn, lived on the upper floors and successfully managed the restaurant for decades, transforming it into a favorite for politicians, vacationers, and celebrities like Frank Sinatra and Bob Hope. The restaurant gained popularity in the 1980s movie Atlantic City and its famous porch out front. Now, fast forward to 1997, the family's tenure ended and the restaurant closed. It was later purchased in 2005 by another family, Dougherty family, a longtime owners of the Ever Docks Oyster House. The Dougherty family embarked on a reservation project and restoring the historical building to the old world charm. Today, the Knife and Fork stands as Atlantic City's oldest and most fine dining establishment, a living testament of its history, and continues to draw generations of diners into this Prohibition past. Now, I myself have actually never been to the Knife and Fork. I think I've dropped people off there during my times of driving back and forth into Atlantic City for work, but nonetheless, never got over there to actually enjoy it. I hopefully get over there and maybe even do a little bit of a video diving more into the history. You're probably going to have some more information in the comment section below, and let's turn it into a Reddit type field there. Any information that you could provide, we greatly appreciate. It's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. Hopefully you can get out there. You can see they do have parking, so parking is a concern, but if you get there, they do have parking in the back. That's going to do it for our video. Go out there and play some golf.